Question 13. Triangle ABC has been reflected to give an image. We're shown two image points, A' and C', and we must draw the mirror line and complete the image triangle. Here are the given image points, A' and C'. The key rule: the mirror line is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining any point to its image. So join A to A' and mark the midpoint. Through that midpoint, draw a line at right angles to AA'. This perpendicular bisector is the mirror line. As a check, the same line should bisect C to C' at right angles. And it does. That confirms our mirror line. Finally, to find B', reflect B across the mirror. Drop a perpendicular from B to the line and continue the same distance on the other side. That lands on B'. Now join A', B' and C' to complete the image triangle. Well done, that's question 13.